Solar panels. Magic glass that catches the light and turns it into power. It's great for your wallet and even better for the climate. So what's not to love? Well, turns out going solar isn't that straightforward. Unless you own a house with a roof, a large roof, you can't. Unless the roof is free of any shade or plants or tanks, you can't. Unless you maintain it regularly, well, you shouldn't. But with digital solar, now you can. Stay in an apartment, solar isn't on your roof. A renter, linked to any meter, even if it isn't yours. Hate paperwork? Plans might change. Even if you're shifting homes, now you can. It takes less than 2 minutes to link with the new meter. Sometimes it's not even an option. Your area's cloudy, your lane is dusty, tall trees around, frequent power cuts, new building coming up, pigeon poop. Well, your solar isn't over there. It's here, it's here, it's here, and even over here. And we have the best-in-class experts to deal with it everywhere. Yeah, even that. You stay here, now you can. You stay there, now you can. Here, you can. There, you can. You stay in Hyderabad, Chennai, Kolkata, Pune, Ahmedabad, Surat, Jaipur, Lucknow, Indore, Nagpur, Bhopal, Patna, Vadodara, Kanpur, Agra, Ludhiana. Well, the point is, wherever you stay, now you can. With digital solar, skip on the hassles of rooftop installation and save on your power bills wherever you live.